Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Eid Mubarak. Hope so you enjoy this Eid. Let's start today's lesson. Today's objectives are you will be able to learn conditions for equilibrium and can solve the comprehensive question number 4.3. Open your book page number 91 and mention classwork date and day. Conditions of equilibrium is a comprehensive question number 4.2. On the right side of the page, you can see the headings. How can you learn and write it on your register? Point number 1 is the statement of first condition for equilibrium, and point number 2 is explanation, and point number 3 is mathematical form. For second condition, same method repeat करेंगे. Point number 1 statement, point number 2 explanation, and point number 3 mathematical form. There are two statements for first condition of equilibrium. Number one is written on the page number 91 and the other one is on the page number 92. You can learn or write any one of them. For understanding the first condition of equilibrium, we recall the previous lesson in which we tell that the body is in equilibrium if the sum of all the forces or net force acting on a body is equal to 0. Or we can say that a body is in translatory equilibrium if the net force is equal to 0. Also, there are two explanations. First of all, you will write or learn the explanation number 1, and then you can write or learn the explanation number 2. Both explanations are to write and learn. Now understand the explanation. A body is in balanced form or is in equilibrium when the forces acting on that body is equal to 0. If number of forces like F1, F2, F3, so on, Fn acting on the body, then the sum of all that forces should also be equal to 0. Similarly, along x direction or along y direction, F1x, F2x and so on will be equal to 0, or for y axis or y direction f1y, f2y or f3y so on should also be equal to 0. The mathematical form is written beside the page. Summation f is equal to 0 is the general mathematical form, and the other two form can also be right. Summation fx is equal to 0 or summation fy is equal to 0. Now look page number 92 for second condition of equilibrium. The statement is given in the yellow box and the explanation start from the start of the topic and ends before the yellow box. It has only a single mathematical form that can be represented by tau. Summation tau is equal to 0. Equation number 4.10. Last three mathematical forms for the bodies that are in complete equilibrium. Let's understand the second condition for equilibrium. Let we have a body, two forces of equal magnitude are acting on same line. Then the body is in equilibrium, but if we change their direction, then the body has the tendency to rotate. The two forces acting on a body with same magnitude but different line of action form a couple. That couple has the ability to rotate the body. It means the body has net torque not equal to 0. To satisfy second condition for equilibrium, the summation tau must be equal to 0. In mathematical form, we can see clearly that the summation tau is equal to 0. Tau basically stands for torque, and torque is the turning effect of all the forces acting on a body. Hope so you are clear with today's topic. Now write down the diary. Classwork. Topic conditions for equilibrium. Comprehensive question number 4.3. Homework. Learn and write classwork. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.